Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the plausible expansion. Now it's time for saving layouts.
Okay, once you change your theme and you rearrange your windows, there's one very important step before you do anything else, which is save.
Especially the case. Why? Because if you rearrange this, the windows, oh, now I like it, and that's it, Supermemo won't memorize that, and you will lose it. You need to save, hey, I want to keep this rearrangement of windows, and you save this as a layout. Doesn't have to be the default one, by the way. It can be custom layout, as what file is going to do. But if you want to save it as custom, and on top of that, to become the default, then you will choose the second option, save as default, or Ctrl-Shift F5.
Use save as default in your case and call it whatever you want to call it.
Not necessarily. Call it whatever you want to call it. In my case, it's laptop 2024. But there are some reserved options. Contents, browser, warrior, and classic, I think. If you put this name, you'll be overwriting a built-in layout. We will see this also in the next video.
My most used one is called normal, which is this one that you see right here, and random errors. If you see a random error, just brush it over. It's normal. It's Supermemo. Sometimes it does stuff like saves your custom layout that you will see here under window. These are my custom layouts, and it sets that as the layout to use when you open Supermemo next time. Okay, so
not necessarily. When you start Supermemo for the first time, yes. Then, when you move from a different layout. So remember, saving as custom layout and call it, I don't know, YouTube 5, and edit anything. Because it's not applying it. I just have this saved as a layout. So if I go to the layout manager, now here you go. But I can still make it the default one by clicking here, this button. That I really want to know, I am really certain that I want this. So instead what I will do is save as default. That's it. In the next video we will see how we tackle the built-in layouts. See you in the next video.